Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using floor cleaners that just don't get the job done? I've got a game changer for you, the Roborock official floor cleaning solution. This powerful cleaner is a total rock star when it comes to removing grime and sticky messes from your floors. I've used it on my hardwood floors and it's amazing how easily it penetrates deep into the surfaces, leaving them feeling smooth and looking like new. The formula is gentle yet powerful, and it's safe to use around kids and pets when used as directed, which is a huge plus for me. One of the things I love about this cleaner is that it's not just limited to hardwood floors. It can effectively clean multiple surfaces including vinyl, ceramic tile, laminate floors, and more. The sound of the dirt and grime being lifted away is really satisfying, and the result is a floor that feels clean and looks great. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a popular choice for people who want a reliable and effective floor cleaner. I've used this cleaner to tackle some tough stains on my floors, and it's been able to remove them with ease. The gentle and powerful formula is perfect for everyday cleaning, and it's also great for deep cleaning when you need a little extra power. Whether you're cleaning up after a spill or just doing your regular weekly cleaning, this product is a great choice. It's easy to use, effective, and gentle on surfaces, which is why I highly recommend giving it a try. With its powerful cleaning abilities and safe formula, it's the perfect solution for keeping your floors clean and your family safe. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.